Understanding Organizational Behavior, OB. Organizational behavior, OB, is a vital field dedicated to studying how individuals interact within various group settings, particularly within the workplace. By examining human behavior and group dynamics, OB plays a crucial role in improving business operations, enhancing job satisfaction, and fostering innovation, ultimately leading to more effective organizations. Key concepts in organizational behavior. Defining organizational behavior. At its core, OB examines the interactions between people in teams, organizations, and their work environments. The principles of OB can be leveraged to increase productivity, facilitate effective leadership, and improve workplace culture. By conducting thorough research and observations, organizations aim to apply these insights to real-world challenges. Core elements of organizational behavior. 1. Individuals. OB begins with the individual level, which delves into aspects of organizational psychology, including motivation, perception, and attitudes. 2. Groups. The second layer focuses on group dynamics, emphasizing social psychology and how individuals interact, influence, and cooperate within teams. 3. Organizations. The top tier encompasses organization-level studies, investigating how various elements, such as objectives, structures, and cultures, affect overall performance. The evolution of organizational behavior. The roots of OB can be traced back to the late 1920s, specifically the Hawthorne studies conducted at the Western Electric Company's Hawthorne Works plant. These pioneering studies sought to understand productivity in relation to environmental factors. Surprisingly, researchers discovered that social relationships and employee satisfaction significantly influenced productivity more than physical working conditions. The Hawthorne effect. The Hawthorne effect emerged from these studies, illustrating how individuals may alter their behavior when they are aware they are being observed. This phenomenon underscores the importance of understanding psychological factors in organizational settings. Since the early findings from the Hawthorne studies, OB has evolved to encompass various dimensions, including work motivation, leadership styles, and organizational culture. Over the years, researchers have started to explore the impacts of demographic factors, such as race and gender, on workplace dynamics. Research methods in organizational behavior. Understanding OB requires a blend of theoretical and practical research methodologies. Various effective methods are utilized to collect data, including surveys, questionnaires designed to gauge attitudes, beliefs, and perceptions using Likert scales to measure responses quantitatively. Interviews, in-depth conversations provide qualitative insights into individual experiences and perceptions. Observations, directly observing individuals in real-life scenarios helps researchers analyze group behaviors and dynamics. Case studies, comprehensive examinations of specific organizations or phenomena offer nuanced insights and implications. Experiments, controlled experiments test hypotheses about relationships between variables in organizational settings. The role of organizational behavior in human resources. Organizational behavior intersecting with human resources has significant implications for organizational success. Key HR processes influenced by OB include 1. Recruitment. Utilizing OB insights helps identify essential skills and traits for specific job roles, leading to more effective hiring practices. 2. Training. Designing training programs grounded in OB principles ensures that employee skills are enhanced in communication, teamwork, and leadership. 3. Performance management. Setting up frameworks that align employee performance with organizational goals aids in measuring effectiveness. 4. Employee engagement. Leveraging OB strategies improves overall morale, motivation, and engagement. 5. Workplace culture. Implementing principles of OB helps foster a positive organizational culture, creating a more collaborative and productive environment. Organizational behavior versus organizational theory. While closely related, OB and organizational theory differ in focus. Organizational behavior emphasizes individual and group behavior within organizations, exploring motivation, leadership, and interpersonal dynamics. Conversely, organizational theory analyzes structures, processes, and systems within organizations, aiming to create frameworks for effective management. Both fields complement each other and are essential for understanding organizational performance and advancements. Challenges addressed by organizational behavior. Organizations frequently face myriad challenges that OB seeks to resolve. These include lack of strategic direction. OB helps establish clearer visions for improvement and direction within a company. Workplace conflict. Utilizing OB insights can help mediate and resolve conflicts, fostering a more harmonious environment. Employee resistance. Engaging employees in an organization's vision and involving them can ease resistance to change. Poor communication. Addressing communication barriers through OB strategies can enhance the flow of information across all levels. Conclusion. Understanding organizational behavior is essential for creating effective and thriving work environments. By studying how individuals thrive in organizations, companies can tailor human resource practices that promote productivity, satisfaction, and innovation. The insights gleaned from OB research continue to guide leaders and decision-makers as they navigate the complexities of managing human capital in an ever-evolving marketplace. Ultimately, both academic inquiry and practical application of OB principles are crucial for driving organizational success and adaptability.